In this episode, we are going to replace Stali's broken door handle. Let's do it. Too much to repair. To reach to the door handle, we have to remove this strip. To do that, we have to unbolt the clips and bolts that hold the door trim. I think there are 7 or 8 clips and bolts. Let's see. There's one. Start from here. After removing the door trim, we can see there's 2 10mm nuts and 1 10mm bolt that hold in the door handle and the window beading. I don't know, window stripe or beading, whatever. We have to remove them to reach to the handle, and we can remove the handle lid. You definitely will need an extension to reach to that bolt, otherwise it will be very hard job. Yep, like that. Alright, we remove the old one, but the new one doesn't come with this pink clip. We have to get that one from the old one, and we put that one here. Alright, now we have to clip the handle into this metal knob. I think better to do it from inside. You can do it from outside, but it's a bit hard. Alright, handle is on. Now we have to bolt up everything back how it was. All good. That's it, guys. That's how you replace your door handle if you actually broke one. And like that, Stali got a new door handle and no more broken parts installed. And that's it for this episode, guys. See you guys on the next episode of Stali. Stay home, stay safe.